that time here at PBI, just want to let you know that during our renovation, it will be business as usual. We'll be doing lessons and we'll be doing our programs and our practices. Everything will be outdoors at different locations. So check us out on the web at baseballclinics.com or call our toll-free number, 800-282-4638. Either way, all the information about what we're doing now until we reopen will be on our website. So you can call, go to the website. We look forward to seeing you in our new phase of business.